Hi, my name is Anthony Giratano. I'm the assistant principal at Eisenhower Middle School in Freehold, New Jersey. It is the 2019 Week of Respect, and we just invited Dr. Paul to come in and speak to about 650 of our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students here at Eisenhower Middle School. We can't thank him enough for giving us such an inspiring message in watching the faces of our students. They were totally engaged with the presentation. They definitely were moved by how Dr. Paul has overcome obstacles, how he takes the dis out of disability and really focuses on how people of all abilities can contribute to this world. So really poignant message for Week of Respect. We do really appreciate him coming in, and I definitely recommend him.
Hi, how are you? I'm Colin Saby, Vice Principal here at Bree Elementary School. Just want to talk to you real quickly about Dr. Paul, who came to visit our school today. It's Monday, October 7th. We kicked off the Week of Respect, having Dr. Paul coming in and talking to all of our students here. He did a great job with our first two assemblies, and can't wait to see how he reaches out to the kindergarten, first and second graders in the afternoon. I definitely think it's a worthwhile assembly to be a part of. I think the biggest message for me, I'm also Director of Special Services here at Bree Elementary School, and I just really like the message as far as taking the dis out of disability and taking disability and making it ability once you take the dis out of it. He's got a lot of other stories that he does tell, brings it into the kids, and I think really what he does a great job of, he makes the kids feel comfortable, and they share with Dr. Paul, but they also share with their classmates some things that they may have not known about their classmates when they started the day.
My name is Sheila Carascolo. I'm a teacher at School 28 in Paterson, New Jersey, and today I am here to give a testimony to Dr. Paul's presentation. We are in the Week of Respect, and what I experienced as an educator, as a person, and as a parent, watching him on stage, he filled the room, the auditorium, with it felt like a supernatural force. He spoke about dreams and how small steps can accomplish those dreams, and the level of peer sensitivity, which I felt from an educator's perspective that he provided, was beyond what I've ever witnessed. As a parent, I am a parent of two autistic children, and just the testimonies of his life experiences and his family members and what they did really spoke to what we can do for our children, whether our children are able or disabled, how we can instill the power to be able to believe in yourself. Dr. Paul is truly an inspiration, and I recommend for anyone to watch him. One of my first thoughts was to jot down all his information so that I can run home and share it with my family and friends, and as well as my colleagues in the district. For the Week of Respect, he's actually perfect to instill what I believe is something that our generation and our future generations need, to remember that love and compassion and service to others is why we're here. I thank him for his powerful words, for his everlasting impression that he left in my heart and in my mind.
Hi, my name is Patricia McCormick, and I'm the school counselor at Ann Street Elementary School in Newark, New Jersey. And I invited Dr. Paul to come and do an assembly for my 1st to 8th graders, based solely because my son is, at the time he was a junior in high school. He saw Dr. Paul at his school, and he came and he raved about how phenomenal he was and how inspirational he was. And it made me think that we could use, a speaker like that to come to our school as well. I feel after listening to 2 of his presentations, I feel that there's definitely messages conveyed to be positive, to smile, to never give up, and face any adversity that you may have, to face it head on and not be afraid, and to take the T out of can't and make it that you can do it.
Okay. Hi, I'm Rosa Nasio. I'm the Vice Principal here at Ann Street Elementary School in Newark. Dr. Paul just presented to the 4th and 5th grade students. There were approximately 300 students in the auditorium at that time. And I have to say, by the end of the presentation, there were quite a few students who were emotional because they just found his story to be so inspirational. And I myself was choked up a little bit throughout the presentation, because he has truly overcome many challenges and he has accomplished so much in his life. And that was a true inspiration, not only to myself, but to the students on how they themselves can overcome their challenges and really just accomplish all of the goals that they have in life.
Hi, my name is Judy Chung. I'm the Student Assistance Counselor for the Metuchen Public Schools. It is the spring of 2018, and we have invited Dr. Paul to speak to the Edgar Middle School in Metuchen, New Jersey. There's about 800 students here. And he gave one of the most powerful and motivational and inspirational talks that we've ever had here. I'm here 18 years, and this is by far one of the best assemblies that we've had. The students really connected with Dr. Paul, especially in this the follow-up sessions directly after the assembly. We visited 2 classrooms, and the students were able to ask more personal questions, and they got a lot of information from Dr. Paul. His presentation was excellent. It was humorous as well as informative. The topics that were covered were perseverance, grit, always having a positive frame of mind, and hope for the future. And if you practice enough, you can meet your goals. And that's exactly the kind of message that we wanted for our middle school students. It was wonderful.